Hey yo, what's up today, loyalists? My name is Aaron. We're gonna react to SML short Jeffy Has Hiccups. Boy, I usually have some hiccups. Not all the times, but sometimes. Not all the times. Whenever I get, having a heart attack, I usually stop with the hiccups. But we'll talk about that later. Let's get right into the video. If you guys comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want?
Oh boy. Jeffy has the hiccups.
It's in my pee-pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy
What?
has the hiccups. The hiccups?
Yeah.
Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them.
Well,
Jeffy, stop doing that.
he can't.
He can't help it.
Yeah, he can't
Go
help
over
it.
there and do it. I don't want to hear him.
He's gonna come back, isn't he?
Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath.
Yeah,
Hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore.
Exactly. Hold your breath.
Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath.
Oh,
Oh, you breathe.
oh no, he's dead. He's dead.
Oh no.
He's a pastor too? Oh my god. Oh my god. CPR, yeah. Mouth to mouth.
Oh, you're alive, Jeffy.
Yeah. And there goes the hiccups.
Okay, that's it. I'm going to call a doctor, and he's going to help get rid of those, because I can't say they're annoying.
Wait, is he the same doctor or the twin doctor? Oh,
You called the doctor?
what'd you hit him for?
Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives.
Oh my
I'm helping a
God.
kid with hiccups.
Why y'all keep hitting him for?
I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup
Yeah.
specialist. It's me.
Same guy.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are you
Really?
proud of that?
You don't need to answer that.
Well, first I'm going
You
to
don't
have
need
to take
to
a look
answer
at
that.
Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Really get up in there. Smells like pepperoni. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Man.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in
I
a
don't
case
know.
like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a
Oh,
7-stage
yeah, scare the
process.
hiccups.
So
That
basically,
could
we're
work.
going to have to boom! Yeah, that didn't work.
That didn't work.
All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we got to do now is boom! No, not quite.
Oh my God.
I'm going to have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boom!
Stop.
Man, this kid's
Just
got nerves
stop.
of steel.
Oh,
It never
okay.
gonna
All right.
work.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically boom!
Are you done?
All right, that's not working. Come on.
Is he done?
Come on, follow me. Boom!
Oh God.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect.
Balloon
Jeffy, take
effect.
that balloon and hold it.
Why is he holding a balloon for?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like it,
Boom!
Ah! Jesus.
Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
God scared the heck out of me.
All right, okay, stage 2.
I mean,
for
that
real.
demon baby,
You like that
that's
balloon,
terrifying,
Jeffy?
you know? My God.
Ah,
Okay, maybe
all right,
that
on to
doesn't
stage
work for a
3.
balloon.
All right, come
But
on.
the balloon max
All right,
baby,
Stage 3
scary.
is the angry drunk babe coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every
Are
time.
those cookie crisps?
Ah,
Oh my God.
Sharon, where's my dinner?
Oh my God. A drunken husband is gonna be pretending to be.
Hey, Sharon.
Oh my God.
What is this? Soggy cookie crisp for
You know,
dinner
cookie
again,
crisps are
Sharon?
very nasty. I tried that once, and it's disgusting.
Where's
Yeah.
my kids so I can yell
What he
at
throws that
them?
away for?
Boom! Yeah.
Ah, the same baby mask. It's terrifying. Get that thing away from me.
All right.
And the
On to
hiccups
stage
doesn't
4.
work at all.
All right. So stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
On
No.
the head stage.
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
What?
A crossbow?
Are you
Yeah.
crazy?
Is that dangerous?
Well, yeah.
Yes,
shoot the
it's
blade.
dangerous.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well,
He'll
if
die.
it hits the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly.
Mhm.
But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my
No.
goggles. Boom!
Will you give it a rest?
I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this.
Oh boy, I cannot bear to watch,
Let's shoot this in.
but I have
Okay,
to.
Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay.
Oh boy.
3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay? Yeah. Oh, he still has hiccups.
And
Well, he may
still,
still have hiccups, but look at that shot. Bullseye.
Well, what are we
don't
doing about his hiccups?
ever
Yeah,
do that
he's got
again.
more bad news.
God, I almost killed it.
Hole in your wall.
What?
Oh my God, you put a hole in the wall? That is tiny.
Alright, so stage 5, we got a bomb here.
A bomb?
And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting
Oh,
one of those wires.
no.
And if he cuts the wrong
Seriously?
one, and we all die.
That's
Which
dangerous.
wires he cut?
The black one.
They're all black.
Yeah,
that's
they're
why
all.
It's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire. I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose the wire, Jeffy.
Oh,
Yeah, choose all of them. They're all black.
Just pick that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you?
Nope.
Oh, man.
Still hiccuping.
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
What?
Oh.
You mean to tell me that's not even a real bomb? Oh my God.
Alright, so at stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
Are you insane?
Hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
That's crazy.
What if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as
Oh,
he hits the Twister Man.
What?
Twister, Matt.
You know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah, I know what a twister is.
What?
Oh,
Alright, Jeffy,
boy.
there you go.
No. Oh.
You
No.
laid his left hand on red, so I say that's a win.
Is he alive?
But is his hiccups gone?
Well, nothing works.
What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
What? Tom Thumb?
All right, everybody, put your stuff
You're at
on
the
the
gas
counter and
station of
store it
Tom
open.
Thumb? Never heard that.
Good. All right, how much I owe you? Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Please
What?
tell me you
I
forgot your
my
wallet.
I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no!
You're
oh,
kidding
no,
me,
I gotta
right?
pay for all this.
You've
We
got to be
already
kidding
opened
me.
it. I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh
Man.
no! What a scary situation! How are we
Mhm.
gonna pay you? What do we do?
Yeah. What he said.
Okay.
Mm,
Well,
mm,
stage
mm,
7 didn't work, and that was the
Nope.
scariest thing I know.
You
so I
think?
don't know what
It
to
is
do
the
now.
scariest thing.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages. So what do we do now?
I'm having
Well, I hate
little
to admit
heart
this,
attack.
but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for. Boom!
Seriously, you're
All
going with
I
that
have to
again?
try this one more time. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Or forever.
I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Is
Get
that
out
a
of here,
fly?
you Stupid fly!
Or be. Yo. You scared of a fly?
I know that it was really scary.
Wait a minute.
Trying to eat my
Jeffy,
Wait,
your hiccups is gone.
Jeffy,
You're cured.
his hiccups are gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? Oh, I think so.
Oh,
I think a fly.
God,
Hey,
what a
curious.
oh no, not you too. Mario has the hiccups.
All right, I'm gonna
Not
go get the
again.
crossbow. Boom!
Oh, why? Why? Just why? You know, I usually have some hiccups like all the time, but whatever, I keep hiccuping. I drink some glass of water. That'll make me cure the hiccups to go away, you know? Just drink plenty of water if you ever stop hiccuping, you kids. And adults as well. So anywho, hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to comment down below, and I'll see y'all later. Deuces.